Welcome to my channel. Have you ever helped someone without expecting anything in return? What if one small act of kindness could change not only another person's life, but also your own? Stay with me until the end because today we will discover the powerful rewards of helping others and why kindness is one of the greatest investments you can make. Chapter 1: Why helping others is important. Helping others is one of the most beautiful things a person can do. It does not always require money, special skills, or great effort. Sometimes, even a few kind words can make a big difference in someone's life. Think about a person who is having a difficult day. They may feel sad, stressed, or alone. A simple smile, kind advice, or helping hand can make them feel better and give them hope. That is the power of kindness. When we help others, we show that we care. We make people feel valued and respected. This helps create stronger friendships, better relationships, and a happier community. Remember this powerful truth: when we help others, we make the world a little better. Many people think that small acts do not matter, but small acts of kindness often create big results. For example, helping a classmate with homework, assisting an elderly person, or encouraging a friend can have a positive impact that lasts a long time. Another important thing is this: kindness spreads. When someone receives help, they often feel inspired to help someone else. In this way, one good action can create many more good actions. A small act of kindness today can create a chain of kindness tomorrow. And the best part is that helping others not only benefits them, it also changes us in positive ways. But now comes an interesting question: what rewards do we receive when we help others? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 2: The Personal Rewards of Helping Others. Now, let's talk about something amazing. When you help others, you are not only improving their life, you are also improving your own life. Many people think helping others is a sacrifice, but in reality, kindness often brings wonderful rewards. One of the biggest rewards is happiness. Have you ever helped someone and felt good afterward? That feeling is real. Helping others creates positive emotions and gives us a sense of purpose. It reminds us that our actions matter. Another reward is confidence. When you help someone solve a problem or support them during a difficult time, you realize that you can make a difference. This builds self confidence and strengthens your character. Helping others also teaches important life skills such as patience, empathy, understanding, and gratitude. You begin to appreciate what you have and understand the challenges that other people face. And here is a powerful truth: the more kindness you give, the more positivity you bring into your own life. Many successful and respected people are known not only for their achievements, but also for their willingness to help others. Another important thing is this: helping others can reduce stress and make you feel more connected to the people around you. Sometimes, the greatest reward is not money or recognition. Sometimes, the greatest reward is the feeling you get inside your heart when you know you have made someone's day a little better. That feeling is priceless. But kindness does not stop there. In many cases, the good we do for others comes back to us in unexpected ways. How does that happen? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 3: How Kindness Comes Back to You. Now let's talk about something very interesting. Have you ever noticed that kind people often receive kindness in return? This does not mean that every good action immediately brings a reward, but kindness has a special way of creating positive results over time. When you help others, people begin to trust you. They see you as a caring and reliable person. This trust helps build strong friendships and meaningful relationships. And strong relationships are one of the greatest treasures in life. Imagine a student who always helps classmates with their studies. One day, when that student faces a problem, many people are willing to help because they remember his kindness. That is how kindness often comes back. Remember this powerful truth. Kindness has a way of returning when you least expect it. Sometimes the reward comes as friendship. Sometimes it comes as support during difficult times. Sometimes it comes as respect from others. And sometimes it comes in ways you never imagined. Another important thing is this: the good you do today may return to you years later. A small act of kindness can leave a lasting impression on someone's heart. However, we should not help others only because we expect something in return. True kindness comes from a sincere desire to help. The rewards are simply a beautiful result of doing the right thing. When people see your kindness, they remember it. Your reputation becomes stronger, and people feel comfortable around you. That is why kindness is such a powerful force. But now comes the final question: how can we make helping others a daily habit and become a kinder person every day? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter, Chapter 4: How to Make Helping Others a Daily Habit. Now comes the most important part of this video. How can we make helping others a daily habit? The good news is that kindness does not need to be big or expensive. In fact, some of the most meaningful acts of kindness are very simple. You can help your parents with household work. You can encourage a friend who is feeling sad. You can share your knowledge with someone who needs help. You can listen carefully when someone wants to talk. These small actions may seem simple, but they can make a huge difference. Remember this powerful truth: great kindness often begins with small actions. Many people think they need a lot of money or special resources to help others, but kindness starts with a caring heart, not a large wallet. Another important thing is to look for opportunities to help every day. Ask yourself, how can I make someone's day a little better today? Sometimes a kind word, a smile, or a helping hand is all it takes. And here is something amazing: one kind action can inspire many more. When people see kindness, they often feel inspired to be kind too. In this way, your actions can influence many lives beyond the person you help directly. Helping others does not only improve their lives, it also improves your character, your relationships, and your happiness. One day, you may never remember every kind act you did, but the people you helped may never forget them. So choose kindness whenever you can. Because helping others is not just an action, it is a way of making the world a better place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Tell me about a time when you helped someone or someone helped you. I read every comment, and I will help you. Keep spreading kindness, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.